Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I had probably hundreds of you on my last video asking for this tutorial today on Uber Eats promo codes working in 2025. I'm going to show you probably the best list of Uber Eats promo codes, or at least there's going to be one promo code that is absolutely awesome. I know there is a $100 Uber Eats coupon code or discount code that you can enter in your Uber Eats app, and it's going to add a $100 balance to your account. And I say dollars, but it will just be in your local currency. So for me, it's around 78 Great British pounds, whatever the exchange rate is. It keeps changing, but let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use a mobile phone. So just basically use the mobile that you use Uber Eats on and open up the internet browser, and you've got to go to Cold Coupons. So www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. And go to Cold Coupons. Like I said, I found this website when I was searching this morning for Uber Eats promo codes, and it's actually there. But if you can't find it when you scroll down the homepage on Cold Coupons, there is a search bar here. Just search for Uber Eats, and it should pop up. So there is actually just one code available, but there's tons of codes, but there's only one variation of a code you can see. You can see there's almost 1,000 codes left. So this is a Uber Eats $100 account credit promo code. And it's been highly rated, and it's being used tons of times, and you can see people are actually using it as we speak. So click on Get Code. And this is obviously telling you what it is. It's a $100 free credit Uber Eats promo code. Pretty awesome, highly rated. So click on Show Full Code. And you can see it's just going to search the database to make sure there's a code. We know there's a code because there's almost 1,000 of them, but it has to do this to allocate you one. Now it says your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. And you can see it says coupon code locked. Now you need to unlock your code. This basically prevents people from stealing all of the limited codes without verifying they're actually a person, because people actually create robots to steal these lucrative promo codes. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this code unlocker called Coupons, and it says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions for each. So you have a list of completely free tasks here, and these tasks are really easy, guys. They take a few minutes each, and they can be things like mobile application installs or answering questions and surveys. You can see these ones at the bottom are mobile apps. This one says download, install this app, and run it for 30 seconds. So pretty easy, guys. This is a Bible app where you basically download it from the App Store, and once you download it, open it up and just run it for 30 seconds. This one says you have to download the app and create a free account. So they've all got different things. This one's a free survey where you have to answer some pointless questions, and then you have to input your valid email. If you do a survey, make sure you do put in your correct email, because it does verify you as a real person. So once you fully complete 2 of those tasks, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons. And your coupon code will say unlocked, and you'll have the full revealed code, and this will say successful. So obviously I just skipped forward. I don't want to waste a coupon code just for this tutorial, but because they are limited. So go to Cold Coupons and just search for the Uber Eats page, and you can also have a browse and see what else they have. They have loads of different, like they have DoorDash as well. So anyway, enjoy, guys. Hit the like button. If you need any help obtaining your Uber Eats promo code, then just go ahead and leave a comment below, and I can try and help out. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Enjoy.